Okay, now I'm ready to put it on this green strop. And I did decide to do something while I was making this. I'm going to finish it up with this Huxtable strop with no compound on it whatsoever. I like to hold this in my hand. If you don't feel comfortable doing that, do it on the desk or the table. I just seem to have better control and see more what I'm doing this way. Just don't get it too steep or you'll end up rolling the edge of the blade. And one thing I like to do before I change strops, just go ahead and clean this blade off with a little rubbing alcohol, a little wipe. That way I don't cross-contaminate my strops. Because it will leave, you can see, it will leave some green residue on it. And always go toward the edge of the blade. Don't go this way, or you'll have to put a big bandage on it. Okay, now we've got that cleaned off, let it dry. We'll just run a few on the black strop just for a moment. I use these two strops on straight razors. Now I'm going to take a break a second. We're going to put some KLP products on this knife. Then we'll put it under a microscope.